Hi and welcome to my skincare regime that I do on a daily basis with Curology. I've been using this product for over a month now, and I ordered it on the first go to fight my acne spots and dark spots with anti-aging properties. And it's been a great product. I always do my skincare after I've taken a shower with cold water and now with lukewarm water, which I've taken a bath with. The first step that I do is the cleanser, which is a Curology product, which is good for acne prone and sensitive skin. The product is very clean. It unclogs your pore completely. It's an almost like a gel cream base, and you apply that and I massage that into my skin very well for about 30 seconds or so, and I wash it with cold water always and pat it dry. The second step is the custom-based Curology serum, which has the niacinamide, clindamycin, oxalic acid. All of these help unclog your pores and get rid of acne spots and blackheads that have clogged your pore. It's a cream formula, and it is very hydrating. The third step that I go through is the moisturizer, which is a gel-based formula, which has the hyaluronic acid and shea butters and 6 other hydrating ingredients in it. It's an extremely nice product. You can layer upon it since it's a gel-based product. And that'll be all. So thank you for watching the video, and this is a subscription box that you can buy for yourself. It has a 2-month product in it, and it is for $60, and honestly it's doing wonders for me, and I hope it does the same for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.